coming to you live today from my home office. Got Leilani and Jaden there in the background. We're just enjoying a little bit of the summer sun and Sunday fun day here. Today I want to talk to you about the affiliate program and the new changes that are effective as of the 20th. So July 20th, here is the new changes to the affiliate program. Number one, in order to come in to be an affiliate, you've got to purchase a product. The product value needs to be over $3,000. So if you are an affiliate from the past, as of the 20th, you will not be able to be an affiliate unless you come in and spend over $3,000 of value with us. And then once you're in, you're gonna get 20%. So straight off the bat, you're gonna get 20% commission. The next tier down from that, your indirect sale, you get 10%. Now, if you just wanna send people to us, that's amazing. We'd be grateful for that. You're gonna get a 5% referral, and you don't have to spend any money in order to do that. You can just send people to us all day long and earn 5%. We've also added bonuses. So we have different tiers of bonuses for you that are very exciting. If you just look below, I've actually added a link and you can go there and you can view all the different bonuses we've got for you and the different tiers of support. So once you come in, you can sell all day long, make 20, make 10, no problem. Those of you that are really serious and you want to take this business to a whole nother level, we've got 3 tiers. I'm not going to go through them, but tier number 1 is $97 a month. Tier number 2 is $197 a month. Tier number 3, which is paid ads, webinars, a lot of social media, landing pages. You dream about it, that's the $497 program. So you can basically automate everything online and earn money while you sleep. So depending on what tier level you want to come in at, we've got the support for each tier. There's going to be Zoom calls, you have a private Facebook group, but all that is explained in the video below. So that's the new change. Now, the biggest change that has come to me through the law of attraction is this wonderful gentleman. His name is Matt. So Matt is from Minnesota, and he's spent the last 15 years doing whole house water filtration. So how cool is it that you can recommend a product that goes in the whole entire house, getting out arsenic, lead, pharmaceuticals, parasites, bacteria, pretty much anything. It's 5 stages of filtration. So instead of just having a little filter, you've got a huge filter that filters everything in the home. Then you attach hydrogen to that. And now you don't have to replace filters for 10 to 15 years. And people absolutely love that. It's in your showers, and you're brushing your teeth, whatever it is, it's all been filtered. So that's the newest thing we've added, is we've added Matt, who's now my business partner. So that's why we're making some changes here. And then we've added whole house filters. We've also added inhalation. So we have home units now that you can breathe hydrogen gas. We have air purification that we've added. We have new hydrogen bottles, little cups. You saw me with, I love the cups. We've added even more hydrogen to the cups in their colors, and it's amazing. So we've got a lot of very unique products coming. So if you're excited like I'm excited, we want to work with you. So go through the video that I've attached the link below. And then after that, decide what tier level you want to come in with. If you've got questions, just schedule a Zoom with us. There'll be a link below for that as well. And we can walk you through which program would be best for you. So once you decide you want to make the committed decision to get started, we'll have our first call together and we'll go through everything and get you all set up for success, okay? So bye for now. I'm very excited. Remember, you have till the 20th, July 20th to take action. After that, we're not going to be bringing new people on for quite some time because we're working with the ones that we have. So if you want to take action, you'll get immediate attention. If not, I don't know when we're going to roll it back out, but the time is always now, my friends. We'll see you soon. Enjoy the rest of your week and be happy, be healthy, and be free.